how to use Wix to make portfolio website. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So if you are a freelancer or if you are offering online service, then having your own portfolio website is very important for you to get more clients and for you to look professional. So to create your own portfolio website, you can make use of this website builder, which is the Wix, and they have 14 days of free trial for you to use. And after that, you can continue using it as long as you will allow them to add the wix.com as your subdomain for your website. So let me first show you the sample portfolio website that you can create using the Wix website builder. So here are some examples from Google. So these are the portfolio website where you can show your skills, where you can show your previous project from your previous client for you to have a proof that you can do the job or you have the skills. Also, portfolio website can be like a personal website as well. So here, as you can see, it's a website where you can introduce yourself. So let's go back to the website builder, which is the wix.com. So just visit this website, and to get started, you need to create your account here. But if you already created your account, just go ahead and click login. So I will just go ahead and log into my account for us to get started and show you how you can create your own portfolio website from the scratch. All right, so we already logged in here inside our account. So to create your own website, just click here, create new site button at the top right corner. And then let's just wait for the load here to finish. All right, so here, what kind of website are you creating? So here we have the online store, the portfolios. So I will be selecting portfolio since this video is about portfolio website. So here you also have another option or sub option for your portfolio. Like you can do a journalist portfolio, developer, film student, a digital or digital media. Let's just select this one and then click next. All right, so the next one, what would you like to call your website? So just go ahead and provide your website name here. Let's just say Wixie Portfolio. All right, so let's click next. All right, so here, what do you want to add your website? So here we already have our portfolio, the Instagram feed if you want to share your Instagram account, or if you want to add a blog inside your portfolio website, you can also check this one, but I will just go ahead and uncheck this. So if you have a video, you can also add this one. Or you can also add a booking, events, forms, pricing plan. So let's just go ahead and add some bookings here in case we have a client who will be visiting our website and interested to get our service, then they can just book an appointment with you and talk about the pricing plan. So let's just go ahead and also add the pricing plans here. Go ahead and click next. So now let's start setting up our website. Let's manage our apps, site settings, analytics, communication, and more. But here, as you can see from the other side, you can start designing your site. So you can begin with a template or you can get a custom built site. So the custom built site is that you will be allowing the Wix to create a website based on the information that you will be providing. So there's no need for you to select a template or start from the scratch. Custom built is that you are letting Wix to create a site for you in just a minute. So it's very simple. So if you want to have a less hassle creating your website, you can just easily select this one. So let's just go ahead and select this, get a custom built site. All right, so here we will just wait to set up our portfolio website here for us. So they will just ask some information from you and you will just provide it so that Wix will just add all those information and give you the website that you can easily publish online once you're satisfied and ready to publish it. So here you can add your own logo if you have your own logo, and then you can add your email here, your address, your phone number, and of course your social media account since we selected earlier to include or to add a a social link or a social media like Instagram feed inside our website. So after you provide all the information, just click next. All right, so here pick a theme that you like for your Wix website. So here you only have 6 template that you can choose from. So this is a theme, not a templates. So this is very different from the other option that we did not select earlier. So let's just say we like our website to be like this, like a child toy full of whimsy and cheer. So I will be selecting that one and then click next. All right, so here preparing your homepage design. So this is where you can select or customize your colors, images, and more for your portfolio website. So we have this option here. So let me just go ahead and select this one. I like this. It looks so professional. All right, so here we can add pages to our site. So we can add about page and contact page. So let's just go ahead and select these 2 pages and then click edit site. So let's just wait for the add-on to be added inside our website. So this is the website that Wix created for us. So that's how easy and quick you can create a portfolio website using Wix if you will be selecting this option. But if you will be using the other option, select a template, that is also quick, but this one is quicker than the other option. So over here, you can also customize your design here. So you can add elements. So from here, you can just add some text if you want to add some text inside your website. You can add some button here. And of course, you can also add your own images. And then you can add a gallery. But let's go ahead and check our website here. So as you can see, we have now our website. So we have our home here, about, contact, book online, plans, and pricing, since these are the add-ons that we selected earlier. And of course, you can also edit this one if you like to. So you can just change the text if you like to. So here you have your paragraph, and of course, you can change this horizontal menu. So here you can add, edit, or reorder the menu items from your site pages, which is this one if you like to. So let's just go ahead and click X for this one. And then over here, you can also edit this one. So just click on each of the section, and then you will see this one, quick edit, for you to edit that sections. And here you can also change the background color of this section over here. You can change the photo here. You can add your own photo just like this one over here, as you can see. So you can add a photo like this and put it here. And then you can add your name here. And then, of course, your short description here, something like this. So, hey, I'm Daniel Martinez. So you can also add this one inside your website over here if you like to. So you can just customize everything here, just play around. And once you're done, before you publish it, just click on the preview so that you will see the final outlook of your website. So this is our website now. You can also view it to mobile device. So you can see it here. And I hope that you learned something today. And if you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.